I'm Saiful Rahman, the student of Engineering Physics, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Gadjah, Mada, Indonesia. Today, we are from Class A Engineering Physics 2012 that consists of 5 persons, and we will explain about Sensors Technology major. The title of our project is Sensor System at City Park.
So, what is our background project? Firstly, we want to tell you about how the good park is. Now, we are on the park that located beside the library building of Universitas Gadjah Mada. Look at this park condition. There are so many visitors here because the park is so comfortable and the distribution of the plant same all around the park. Do you know why? This is because the park has a watering system that works properly and regularly all day. This system can be done because of the water sprinkler that work regularly. Do you know why we include this park into the good park? Because this park is not affected by the season, especially in dry season. Now we will compare to the condition of pet park. Look at this park condition. This park is not interested to be visited by visitors. Do you know why? Firstly, because the soil is dry. The watering system is bad. It has no water sprinkler to watering the park all around of the park. So, it makes the distribution of the plant is not same. Do you know what is the impact when it has bad plantation? It will cause water cannot be absorbed by the park and make it looks ugly and dirty. We will build the sensor that can solve this problem. First, the sensor that can monitor the soil condition, especially the soil temperature and the soil moisture. And the second is watering system that can work automatically and regularly all day. And this watering system is independent to the weather condition. But our focus point will be on the monitoring of the soil condition.
The name of system which we build is called POOP. POOP means protection of our park. This system is purposed to increase quality of vegetation on park. Okay, let's talk about technical stuff. First of all, design requirement. The sensor can measure humidity of soil, thus it can be monitored and classified by its quality. Accuracy of measurement can be optimized by using temperature sensor. The sensor itself will be planted on the ground, so it has to endure corrosion. Primary sensing element is a bar of steel conductor. The conductor has to endure rust by water. The system has to endure rain and direct light because it will be placed at outdoor condition. Second, measurement principle. Water concentration in soil will be measured by its humidity. Changing percent concentration of water will change resistance of soil. Then output voltage also change. Water concentration and resistance relation are inversely. That means the more water concentration, then output voltage gets smaller, and vice versa. But humidity of soil is also caused by temperature. Thus, soil temperature will be measured. Temperature sensor is used to make the accuracy gets better. Third, sensing method. Sensor use resistance properties of soil and AC electrical current. AC current is used because it will prevent electrode polarization. Soil which has much water will make electrical current pass through the soil easily, or it will make less resistance than passing through dry soil. Soil conductivity of soil is about 0.01 to 8 Siemens per meter, influenced by water concentration. Electrical current from current generator will be passed through implant conductor in soil. Inner resistance of conductor are less greatly than soil resistance Rx. A constant current source or current pump has a very high output resistance. Therefore, the current which it pushes through the loop is almost independent of any resistance R in the loop. An input impedance of a voltmeter or amplifier is very high, hence no current is differed from the current loop to the voltmeter. A voltage drop across the resistor Rx is
Dance. Let me see you move.
for sensors. The system is consists of two kinds of sensors: soil humidity sensor and temperature sensor. Soil humidity sensor is placed on the ground. Its primary sensing element is located at 5 to 10 centimeters below surface. Meanwhile, temperature sensor is located beside soil humidity sensor. Its primary sensing element is planted with 5 centimeters below the surface. Direct sunlight makes temperature of soil rising. Then the temperature makes humidity changing. Temperature sensor is used to offset measurement because temperature of soil. Combination of humidity sensor and temperature sensor makes accuracy gets better. Fifth, location of sensors. Each pair of humidity sensor and temperature sensor are located on middle of 4 sprinkles. Each sprinkles are separated 20 meters away because the range of sprinkles are 10 meters. Therefore, distance between sprinkle and the pair of sensors are about 7 meters. 6. Tools and materials. Galvanized steel wire 12 gauge or equivalent. Packing foam block. Soldering iron and solder. Lead wires. Bengawan Solo.
So we have conclusion for our project. As we know that because of its freshness and beauty, park is everybody needs for many things. For example, recreation, relaxing, jogging, and sometimes people come to the city park just for fun and feel the air fresh. But the goal will be not reached if nobody take care of it. The problem that we observe is dying grass and plant because of its bad treatment. First, the owner take care the city park uncontinuously and doesn't change the system of the treatment for different sessions, especially in dry session. Second, in many city park, the visitor just use it and leave, and sometimes they don't care about the rule of the place. Then we design sensor system to maintain its function and beauty properly for all condition and session. The name is Suhu. Based on the previous explanation, we can conclude that the pump system can make watering system better to improve the quality of the plant in the city park. It happened because the present soil moisture sensor. The park's watering time will be well ordered. The concentration of the water in the soil will be measured as the level of soil moisture that will be monitored by the sensor. By looking the data obtained, we can know when watering should be due. The sensor need to be coupled with soil temperature sensor to obtain data more valid. This is because the influence of sun heat that will heat up the soil, causing false reading by soil moisture sensor. In addition, monitoring is done only when we want to avoid the effect of electrolysis.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all people and all things that help us make this video. For all students and all people in Indonesia, let's create this country from a little thing. We are from Universitas Gadjah Mada. See ya.
Satu keluarga, kokohkan barisan, taklukan dunia. Jayalah selalu teknik fisikaku. Kita pejuang naskah masa depan. Ayo bangun.